Hi, I ordered an easy topper lift for my van. I'm going to use it to create an elevated bed, and it just came in the mail today. It weighs a ton. I can't believe it. So let's open it up and let's see what's in here. Basically, if you're not familiar with easy topper lift, its purpose is not intended for a van bed lift. The purpose is it elevates a truck topper. So if you want to put something bigger in the back of your pickup and you have a topper on it, it elevates that topper so you can drive your ATV in or whatever else.
The reason why it's a love-hate relationship is because you only got about just under 3 feet to get in. But what we did to solve that problem is we put high-quality electric actuators in the corner. Notice it's nice, smooth, goes up nice and smoothly. It'll pick the pickup topper where you can literally walk around underneath your topper. I went from 3 feet, the opening, to almost 5 feet.
And I think it elevates up to 17 inches. So I figured, rather than try to figure all of this out myself, they've already got it all wired so that all four they have it wired so that all four actuators rise at the same pace and they stay synchronized. So I thought, I'm just gonna use that. So I bought one and I want to take a look and see what's inside of here. Whoa. Let's check it out. Oh, pretty package. This looks like these are the mounting brackets, and that is, oh man, those are heavy. Jeez. Let's open them up, see why they're so flippin' heavy. Oh, it's a lot of parts. Those are some serious metal brackets. Well, that's great. Oh, we got a nice little topper lift sticker. Yay. And then, let's see. We got a bunch of bolts. We got a bunch of electrical there. That looks like that's maybe the switch. We got all the wire harness. Oh, here's one of the actuators. Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, there will be 4 of those, and if you're not familiar with a linear actuator, what it is this goes up and down. So it elevates, like I said, 17 inches. So I'll mount these, 4 of them. There's 4 of them in the box. I'll mount one in each corner of the van, and it will lift the bed up and down. And then I'll have all that space underneath there for bench and a table, or just, extra space, which, by the way, I finalized my layout. So I am back at it, and I'm excited, and I'm working on the van again. Yay!